Everyone, how are you? How is everything going on? So in today's video, I just want to share with you what are all the lies which these coaching gurus propagate. Well, who's a coaching guru? A coaching guru is any digital marketer who calls himself a coach and teaches other coaches how to make money as a coach when they themselves are not a coach. Now, why is this topic so important? Because I've been in the coaching industry, I've been coaching for the past 7 years. And right now, I help coaches build profitable brands around their stories. And I come across so many of them with a lot of these lies. They believe these lies wholeheartedly and passionately in such a way that it's actually dragging them down. So I thought I really need to take my time off and address these lies which a lot of them believe. And if you have heard this lie somewhere, drop it in the comments below. Now there might be many, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the most predominant ones. Well, lie number one. The first lie which a lot of coaching gurus have fed you is the get rich quick scheme. Means that they have this solution which is going to make you rich quick. So to prove that, what they're going to show you is they're going to show you their Razorpay accounts or Instamojo accounts or bank accounts or however they collect money and tell you, hey, look, I made 1 crore in 1 month. Hey, I made 10 crores in 1 year. Or look at my student who made 50 lakhs in 6 months. Well, have they made, first things first, one, that's revenue, that's not the profit. A lot of times it's just 50% which they take home. Number two, what they don't show you is the number of years which they spent building the system. They don't show that. For example, if they tell you, hey, I made the X amount of money in 2 years or 3 years, what they don't tell you is from the past 10 years, they have been failing. They got no results. They went everywhere. And what they've built today is the result of those 10 years of work. Instead, they show that in 3 months, I was able to build this, or 4 months, I was able to build this. As a first line, need to understand that they have built this over a longer span of time, probably multiplied by 4 or 5 when they tell you I built this in so many years. Number two, low volume, low ticket and high volume way is going to make a lot of money. So what do you mean by low ticket, high volume? Having something which is super cheap, a course or a curriculum which is super cheap, and if you sell it to as many people as you can, you're going to make a lot of money. An example, the way of thinking is like this. If you create a course which is 2,000 bucks and you sell it to two people every day, you make around 1.2 lakhs in a month, which is pretty astounding. What they don't tell you is one, the operation costs, the softwares, maybe some automations. And number two, if it was that easy, everybody would be making money. It is not so simple and it does not work like that. When do you start making money in this low ticket sales is when you have a huge list of emails or phone numbers or a huge community who are warm and ready to buy. Third thing, ads are the solution to everything. Well, ads are like steroids. They only enhance what you currently have. Just like if you want to build your body, you need to have the right diet, the right workout regime, you need to have the right sleep, right hydration, right macronutrients, right protein, right minerals, what micronutrients where you take in. Is the same way for this. Before you even, I tell all my clients when they build their brands, don't even think of running ads until you make your first 6 figures. Here's what's going to happen. I know people who spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees on ads and who haven't gotten any results. In fact, they're so dependent on ads that every time Facebook changes an algorithm, they're hit, they go broke. So ads definitely work, but they're not the solution for everything. Start organically, make your first 6 figures organically, and then you can focus on ads. The fourth thing, sales funnels equals windfall of money. This has to be one of the most horrendous myths which people believe. One, do people make millions from sales funnels? Absolutely. Will it work? 100%. Are they profitable? 100%. However, what is not, I would say, feasible is when people who don't have a product, who don't have a good positioning, who don't know how to write copies, who try to build everything on their own, who don't know email marketing, go blindly and get a sales funnel built, spend a lot of money on softwares, digital marketers, and run ads, and in the end, they make no money. You need to understand one thing. Funnels and ads are like steroids. They enhance what they have. So if you want to start out, get on the damn call and start calling people, and then you can focus on funnels and ads, which definitely work, by the way. Last but not the least, if I can do it, anyone can do it. This is so wrong, guys. This is so wrong. Let me ask you something. Imagine if Sachin Tendulkar came and told you, hey, you know what? I have this whole career of mine. If I can have it, anyone can have it. Would you believe that? No, right? Let me ask you one more. If Arnold Schwarzenegger came and told you, hey, I have this body, anybody can have this body, would you believe it? No, not everybody can have it. That doesn't mean you can't be successful. What I'm saying is the 100% probability of replicating them is not possible. Here is why. Most of those gurus, they didn't build it themselves. Before they even started it, one, they hired a huge team. Number two, and there's nothing wrong in it. Number two, they found a lot of mentors who are out there, spent a lot of money and learned from them. And what they're giving you is a portion of it. So I want you to understand this. Your results are going to be unique. And in the next video, I'm going to show you what are the 3 types of results by which you can measure yourself. So I just wanted to clear all these 5 lies. And this is not in any way to discourage anyone or throwing shit at anyone. I just wanted to make you guys aware of it. So have an amazing day and take care. Drop a comment below. What is the lie which you have believed a lot?